We need to restore any type or source of energy during the work in progress. Our isolation can be mechanical processes, instrumentation, or electrical. It needs to be temporarily removed. If it needs to be bypassed, then we need STEET or a Section 2 test certificate will be required. The isolation process. When we need to de-isolate any isolation, it should be approved on the same initial, Area 30 or AA. Isolation Confirmation Certificate. Once all preparations for reinstallation have been completed and the readiness of the plant for commissioning is confirmed. If we talk about a single piece of equipment, when our equipment is properly boxed up and everything has been verified and approved, then we can de-isolate that particular equipment. But if we talk about the entire plant or unit, when all equipment of the plant and unit has been verified and boxed up, everything is ready. Their individual isolation has been removed. Then we need battery A to ensure everything before removing and starting the decommissioning plant. The operator in should remove the isolations. According to the de-isolation specifications mentioned in the isolation certificate for de-isolation, just as we had the isolation scheme approved after planning. Similarly, the de-isolation scheme will also need to be approved. We need to remove all isolations according to the agreed de-isolation procedure in the presence of the supervisor. Some isolations might be included under a specific permit. We simply need to have them de-isolated by the supervisor, but for certain de-isolations, separate permits might also be required if we have a significant elevation. We need a crimp. We have better limits for de-isolations. We had inserted a process ball somewhere, and we need to move it up to insert the ball. So, for all these things, we will require separate permits for de-isolations. Extended thaw period. Isolation which is required to remain in place, even though no work is being carried out within the isolation boundary, may be required for the following three main reasons. Any isolation that is in place, even if no work is ongoing there or no activity is being performed beyond that isolation, we have three main reasons for which we need to maintain that isolation for an extended period. The first reason could be that the task has been commenced but is suspended for a period extending the validity period of the permit. We performed some work but it was not completed and we have suspended it for a long term.